Welcome to Lulu University. This week we're going to be talking about self-publishing for nonprofits, so stick around. So it may not be an obvious choice or an obvious option, but nonprofits regularly use Lulu to self-publish and raise awareness about their cause or raise money for a certain cause or event they have going on. So this is a really great way for nonprofits to spread the word about what they're doing, raise awareness without breaking the bank. At Lulu, there are multiple ways that nonprofits can use our platform and get their message out there. Lulu Express is one option, and it's a really quick and easy way to upload your files and order print copies. If the work you're doing doesn't need to be distributed on Amazon or Barnes & Noble or Lulu.com bookstore, then Express is a really great option for you. If you're looking to assign an ISBN or distribute the content through different channels, then Lulu.com is a great option there. Using Lulu.com allows the nonprofits to maintain 80% of the revenue, which can allow you to use that for other projects and fund your nonprofit. With Lulu.com, there are 3 different levels of access that nonprofits can take advantage of. So we have our general access, and this means that once your project is published, then anyone can come to our bookstore and search for it. So that can be great if you have a large audience that maybe is across the country, and you can send them to Lulu to easily find your book. Next up is direct access. This means that the project is assigned a unique URL that the account holder can give out to patrons or volunteers or staff members that need to find the book. Private access means that only the account holder has access to the project. So this can be really nice if you are switching focus or changing projects and you want to keep the content on Lulu, but you don't want it to be searchable or to be found by people maybe looking for your newest project. If you choose to publish with Lulu.com, another great thing that nonprofits can take advantage of is our revenue splits. So when you set up your account and your payee information, you can decide if you want 10%, 20%, 50%, whatever the denomination is, you can decide how much you want to go to a charity or to another project, or how much you want to go back into your nonprofit to help fund future activities. We see a ton of nonprofits using Lulu to raise awareness and money for their cause. But maybe you're still wondering how a nonprofit could use Lulu or self-publishing in general. So here are some examples of what we see nonprofit organizations using us for. This could be business proposals for fundraising. We also see nonprofits making brand books to help articulate their vision and mission to potential funders or just volunteers. We also see them making photo books of their work being done, which is a great tool in raising awareness. Cookbooks, we have a couple groups that use us for cookbooks, and that can be a really cool and really fun way to raise awareness and share the stories of the people you're helping. And also calendars. So we see a lot of nonprofits coming to us to make calendars. Obviously around the holidays is a great time, but this is a great product to make to not only showcase what you're doing with your nonprofit throughout the year, but also keep you on the top of the mind of your funders and patrons who are supporting you and making donations. There's a lot of good that can be done when nonprofits choose to self-publish. And with Lulu, publishing is completely free, so you don't have to take out a huge investment or stop funding your passion projects to fund your publishing. So with Lulu, not only is it free to publish, but we use print-on-demand technology, which allows you to not worry about inventory and only buy copies you need when you need them. Plus, we are the only print-on-demand B Corporation certified company in the world. So you can feel good about using us to help raise money for your nonprofit. If you have any questions about how to use self-publishing for your nonprofit, leave it in the comments below and be sure to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.